In the last section, we spoke about how we would be using the in-memory data store called Redis to handle caching inside of our application. In this video, we're going to install Redis on Mac OS X. So if you're using Windows, pause the video right now and continue on to the next section, where we're going to walk through the installation for a Windows machine. Otherwise, if you're still here and you're running Mac OS X, let's do the installation. So to install Redis, we're going to use the Brew Package Manager. We're going to first walk through the process of installing Brew, just in case you've never ran it before. In a new browser tab, I'm going to navigate to brew.sh, like so. I'll then find this Install Homebrew section right on the screen. I'm going to find the script right there and copy the entire thing. I'll then change on over to my terminal. So here I am. Now before we run that installation script, let's check to see if you already have Homebrew installed. So before you run the installation script, run the command which brew, like so. So you'll notice that I got a path appearing right here. I see a path because I already have Homebrew installed. If you do not have Brew installed, then you will instead see a message that says something like command brew not found or something like that. You'll see some type of error message. So if you see an error message, then I want you to paste that script in there and run that command. Pause the video right now if that's the case. So if you're going to do the installation, then just pause right now and let the installation run. Okay, so if you're here still, we're going to go through and use Brew to now install Redis. So to use Brew to install Redis, all we have to do is run the command brew install Redis, like so. So run that, pause the video, it's going to take a minute or two. And then when you come back, we're going to run one or two other commands to configure Redis. Okay, so let's now run those commands. Obviously, I'm kind of assuming here you're pausing the video as you do the installation. All right, so you should see a message like this appear once you have completed the Redis installation. Now, the one thing we want to do here is to look at this little message down here. It says we can run that command, brew services start Redis, to automatically start Redis up right now, and always restart it anytime that we restart our machine. And that's definitely what we want to do. So I'm going to run the command brew services start Redis, like so. And you'll notice that I get a message here that says, well, it's already started because I was running it. You might see a similar message, and that's totally fine as well. So that's pretty much it. That's all we have to do to install Redis. The last thing that we're going to do is just to confirm that it is in fact running and working on our local machine. So to do so, we can run a command, Redis, let's do it up at the top here, redis-cli ping, like so. And you should see a message come back that says pong. So that's pretty much it. That's all it takes to get Redis installed and running locally. So let's pause here. We'll continue in the next video and start to use Redis to implement our caching solution inside of our app.